Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Would you please be so kind as to further elucidate your technique? Also, one chants the name of God, and will you please be so kind as to elucidate further in some particular way, or what comes? Was nog datsuke in Indian. What should be done in addition to that, or how it is formulated in the complete system of your reverent teachings?
Yeah, this is the Bhakti Marga means. The first thing is Sravanam, hearing. It's like these books are being written to give chance people to hear. That is first business. If we don't hear about God, we simply imagine something. Now we must hear about God. We are publishing 80 books like this, simply to hear about God. Then when you hear perfectly, then you can describe to others. That is called Kirtanam. Savanam, Kirtanam. And when the process goes on, hearing and chanting or describing, Kirtanam means describing. Just like this whole society is hearing from these books and they are going out to describe. This is called Kirtana. Then, by these two processes, hearing and chanting, you remember. Smaranam. That means, remembering, you always associate with God.
So at all times, remember me.
Yeah. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam. Then worshipping the deity. To offer flowers to the lotus feet of the Lord, to garland, to dress, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, offer prayer, Dasam, serve. In this way, there are 9 different processes.
Maybe we have a similar thing in the Christian parallel to the Vergegenwärtigung Gottes im täglichen Leben von Bruder Laurentius. Sehr ähnliche Ideen.
Yes, Christian method, the offering prayer. That is also bhakti. That is bhakti.
So, Dr. Zahra fragte, was wir außer dem Chanten noch tun.
Kali Yuga means fighting. Nobody is interested to understand the truth, but they will simply fight. In my opinion, this, I will say my opinion, this, he will say his opinion. So many foolish opinions and fight between themselves. This is the age. No standard opinion. Everyone has got his own opinion. Therefore there must be fight. Everyone says, I think like this. Oh, what is your value? You are thinking like that. That is correct. Because you have no standard knowledge. If a child says, the father, in my opinion, he shall do it. Is that opinion to be taken? If he does not know the thing, how he can give his opinion? But here in this age, everyone is prepared with his own opinion. Therefore it is fight, quarrel. Just like the United Nations, all the big men go there to become united, but they are increasing flags, that's all. Fighting. It is a society of fighting only. The Pakistan, the Hindustan, the American, the Vietnam, it was meant for unity, but it is rendered into fighting association, that's all. Everything. Because everyone is imperfect and he wants to give his perfect knowledge.
There you mean the Kali Yuga exists all the time?
No. This is a period when foolish men have developed. Instead of making solution, the fighting increases. Because they have no standard knowledge. Therefore, this Brahma Sutra says that you should be eager to inquire about the absolute truth. Athat Brahma Jigyasa. Now the answer, next code is, the Brahma or the absolute truth is that from which or from whom everything has come. Athat Brahma Jigyasa Janmadasya Jataha. Now you find out where is everyone is trying to find out what is the ultimate cause. That should be the end. If you follow this philosophical course, then your fighting will stop. It will be sober. This verse also. Tattva jigyasa. Tattva jigyasa means to inquire about the absolute truth. Sit down. So there should be a class of men, very intelligent class of men in the society, who are discussing about the absolute truth. And they will inform others. This is absolute truth, my dear friends, my dear, you do it like this. That is wanted. But here everyone is absolute truth. That is fighting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.